welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Redmi Buds 5C earbuds that I ordered from Flipkart. So I have been really excited to check this out. So let's dive right in. So be talking about their designs, features, how to connect them and overall performance. So if you are considering buying this, stick around for my full review. So here's the box. It looks simple but clean on the front. We have got the Redmi branding and it shows that these are the Redmi Buds 5C earbuds. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First, we have the earbuds themselves wrapped up in this protective case. Along with the earbuds, there are a usual manual, some extra ear tips for a better fit, and a USB Type-C charging cable. That's everything you get in the box. Now let's talk about the designs. The designs earbuds have a really sleek and modern look. The case is small and lightweight, so it's easy to carry around in your pocket. The matte finish on the case feels really premium. The earbuds themselves have this simple yet elegant designs with a comfortable fit. They are also quite lightweight, so they won't feel heavy in your ears after long listening sessions. Let me quickly show you how they fit. As you can see, the earbuds fit perfectly in my ears and they don't feel loose or uncomfortable. They are designed to stay in place, which is great if you are planning to use them during workouts or when you are out for a run. Let's talk about the features now. The Redmi earbuds come with touch control, so you can tap the earbuds to play or pause music, skip tracks, or even answer calls. The sound quality is impressive for the price. The bass is good, the mids are clear, and overall the audio is balanced. I tested them out with music and videos and I didn't face any issues with sound quality. And to connect your earbuds to your phone is simple steps. So first of all, make sure your phone is with you and turn on. To connect your earbuds to your phone, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to click on setting. Then next you have to search for the Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth. After turning on the Bluetooth, the phone will start searching for the nearby devices. So you have to look for the Redmi Buds 5C under the list of available devices. If you don't see it, then don't worry. Move on to the next step. The next step you have to do is to download the Xiaomi earbuds, and to download it you have to move on Play Store app, search for the Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it. Inside the Xiaomi earbuds app you'll find an add earphone. So after that you just scroll down or you can search for the available devices for Redmi Buds 5C. So if you don't find it, you just scroll down as I am scrolling. So here's the Redmi Buds 5C. So just tap on got it. After clicking on got it, if still can't see it, then you just need to press the button on your back earbuds. As you can see, there's the button, so just press on it. After pressing on it, Redmi Buds 5C will appears on your mobile phone, as you can see. So just click on this Redmi Buds 5C. Now it's loading. You have to wait some seconds. If still it's not working, then try to charge your earbuds. Tap on pair option. So here our earbuds are connected and now we can start playing music. So let's play some music. The sound quality of the Redmi Buds 5C earbuds is impressive. The audio is clear with a balanced mix of high, mids and lows, making music and calls sound crisp and natural. The bass is punchy without being overwhelming, providing a rich listening experience. Whether you're enjoying your favorite song or taking a call, the sound quality offers excellent clarity and depth for its price. Overall, these earbuds delivers great performance for casual listening and immersive sound experiences. Connecting the earbuds is super easy. All you need to do is open the case and they will automatically go into pairing mode. Then you can just select them on your phone's Bluetooth list and you're good to go. And I tried connecting them to my phone and the process was quick and smooth. One of the best thing about these earbuds is their battery life. The earbuds themselves last up to 5 to 6 hours on a single charge, and with the case you can get a total of around 20 hours of playback time. That's really as solid for wireless earbuds at this price point. Now let's talk about the call quality. I tested the microphone during a few calls and the person on the other end said I sounded clear with minimal background noise. It's not the best microphone out there, but for the price it's worked perfectly. Overall, I think these Redmi earbuds are a great option if you're looking for affordable wireless earbuds with solid sound quality, decent battery life, and a comfortable fit. The touch controls and easy connectivity make them a good choice for daily use. And if you are on a budget and need a pair of wireless earbuds, then I will definitely recommend these earbuds. I recommend these earphones because they offer great durability and performance. They come with an IP54 rating, which means they can handle dust and light splashes of water, perfect for outdoors use and workouts. They also have 40 dB hybrid active noise cancellation, blocking out unwanted noise so you can enjoy your music or calls without distraction. Plus, the quad mic ENC ensures clear call quality by reducing background noise with an impressive 36-hour battery life and a 10-minute quick charge feature. You won't have to worry about running out of power. The 12.4 mm titanium drivers deliver powerful sound and at just 43 grams they are lightweight and comfortable. So this is great offer, great sound, clear calls, long battery life and durability, a perfect choice for everyone looking for a reliable audio experiences. So that's it for today review. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested in the Redmi earbuds, I will leave a link in the description so you can check them out. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more reviews and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post a new videos. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.